Why does your scanner show the P0656 engine code? What does it mean? P0656 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel level output, circuit malfunction. The P0656 engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM or ECU, detects an abnormal voltage, inconsistency, or signal loss from the sensor to your dashboard gauge. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or connectors, faulty fuel level sensor, defective fuel gauge, failed ECM or PCM, malfunctioning body control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Dodge, Audi, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.